Namaste and good evening, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Healing Mandalin again. Namaste, Madhuji. Welcome.
नमस्ते जी.
This Friday was Varamahalakshmi festival, so I would like to start this evening with Nannu Ganna Talli Na Bhagyama in the Mragam Kesari. Thank you. Um, we all are waiting for our wonderful guest, my dear brother, Stephen Davis. He is one of the finest piano player of our country. So sweet of him to come online today, sparing out some time for us for the Healing Mandolin. Welcome, brother Stephen Devasi.
Thank you, my dear Rajeshi, Praveed, brother, and Madhu sir. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. It is a
Welcome,
great
Stephen ji.
honor always to be with my dear brother Rajeshi.
Thank you, brother. Brother, before we go start talking, I would like you to play something, and then we'll start. I always follow your morning sunrise with Stephen.
Thank you. If you say that, I'm so
Something which
honored.
you like. No,
Okay,
please says play something, and we'll then start talking.
okay, brother. I was so inspired. I was watching. what you were playing right now. I was just hearing, and obviously it was really healing for me. So I'm the same raga is
Thank you,
hitting
brother.
me. So I will take it from there. Can I?
Sure, sure, brother. Anything. Wow. Amazing, brother.
Thank you.
Magical fingers. Blessed you are. Thank you. Thank you for that wonderful song.
Thank you.
Seriously, such an honor.
Thank you.
Welcome to the
Thank
Healing Mandolin. This Healing Mandolin we does. I mean, like basic idea of doing this show is to give positive energy to people, especially in India and all over the world. We
That's
are all
great.
going through stress.
What a wonderful
So people like you,
initiative, Rajesh ji, that you have done to do this healing mentally. I heard about this and
it
I
goes to
watched
the
a couple
team.
of things. So thank you so much
Thank you.
for you are also a part of healing to this entire world because this world is completely messed up and God has to heal it through us. So I'm so happy about healing.
Definitely. People like you come and talk and inspire people. No, it gives a lot of positive energy. Thank you for coming. And we have
Thank you.
Madhuji who has done a lot of research connecting music and astrology. And then
Thank you, Madhuji.
we like
We
to
would
talk
like to
about
hear more from
consciousness.
you also. I'm looking forward to hear from
Thank
you
you.
also.
Thank you.
We like to hear more about consciousness. And also, we would like to talk, Stephen ji, about your connection with my brother and guru, Yu Srinivas ji. How you played, when you played, and then different experience. People would love to know that. Madhuji.
Definitely. Thank you. First of all, where music notes are playing, words are immature. When I speak words, I'm trying to focus on smallest things which don't matter much. When you're playing musical notes, you both are playing musical notes just now, Stephen G. When you're playing musical notes, depending on the level of the listener, we were able to see images. If our mind is a canvas, with your brush, you're painting images. The snowflakes were falling, the sun was rising, the whole nature was mesmerized. The flowers and plants were swinging, and in another part of the world, it is raining, and there is rainbow, two little kids playing in the grass, and so many yogis meditating, and church bells are ringing. I can hear the entire universe in few minutes. Such an image cannot be created by words. A lot of times I feel the words are the gift of God, but words are the curse of the God. So in COVID, I request everybody, humorously, use words wisely. You say more We say more than necessary. There may be fight, there may be misunderstandings. Less words, more music, more melody of being with families, being with friends. And probably it'll take many lifetimes of practice of the notes. I think later part of this discussion, I'm going to talk about it. If I look at God, if I have to give a metaphor for God or higher consciousness, they call it, he's also sitting in front of a keyboard. You're at an upright piano, like a piano. There are white keys and there are black keys. For us, it look white and black, but he's playing good and bad. And he's playing this beautiful music, rhythm and ragas, different ragas at different time of the universe. And life is happening. The whole cosmic harmony is happening through these keys and notes. Some of us call it planets, some of them call it Raja Yogas. Different combination of planets are causing life. Some people believe there's no planet, there's no astrology. It is happening through actions, according to Buddhism. It is happening through karma, certain karma, according to Hinduism, certain actions according to different religions. It doesn't matter how it is. There are keys. Every human being is here to find out their key, their raga, and their special note. So we are trying to find those keys. Thank you, Stephen G. You have inspired a lot of words. Thank you so much.
Wow,
Thank you.
what
Thank
a
you,
what a
Madhuji.
great. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhuji.
Thank you,
Stephen
Rajesh.
Jetta, please
Oh,
can you
yeah.
say a few about your connection with my brother and Guru, and how is your experience with him?
First of all, whenever I think of him, I get one deep breath. That deep breath includes peace, that includes I have seen a saint, that includes sadness, that includes happiness, that includes everything what I see as a serene, as something which divine. So every time, right now, when you just said that, again, I had a deep breath. In between, when after the sound check, Rajesh ji mentioned to our dear sound engineer to do put Anna's. So suddenly his picture came.
Yeah.
I took a deep breath. That is the relationship that always that he's with me. I feel musically he's also with me. I know that he's more with Rajesh ji and all our dear beloveds who be
Brother,
with
he's
Anna.
always with all of
I
us
know
because
he's
he's
also
music.
with
We are all
me.
musically
First
connected.
time which I've heard from a young age about this great legend, but I never got a chance to meet him or to know him. So I feel
Rajesh ji, I think the network was slow.
Stephen, brother, I think your connection is a little slow.
So it's not poor connection, it is pure connection. So Rajesh sir, maybe you play some beautiful music.
क्या
Mandal.
बात है?
Sometimes pure connection, divinity takes over and we become mere human and wait for the divine connection to happen. Sir, play something extraordinary that you love. Sangamam. Oh, sir, what a beautiful piece. Stephen G also played, was so good. Anything you love, sir, divinity. Stephen G is back.
yeah, I'm
I was just saying, you had a pure connection. It is not poor connection. So you just connected to divinity and you're now back.
sorry. I don't know what happened suddenly. Sorry, Rajesh ji. Sorry, Madhu ji. Sorry, Praveen. And sorry,
No,
entire
no, no.
audience.
You are
We
dependent on
go.
internet.
Yes. So I don't want to cut the mood of what I was speaking. And one day, Sivamani Anna said, "There is something. A festival is there. You come with me." Then, see, so mostly he never say who's there to perform. That day I saw one person. There was a podium. One simple person who's sitting there and doing a sound check. He was already there, and I don't know what goosebumps is going on, fear is going on, where I don't know what I'm going to play with him. And he was, from the moment I met him till the last time I met him, I everything was he never he's always smiling at me, and uh, so I had a great concert. In that meantime, that sound check, I had little chat with him. Every time I was just looking to that face, and my dream. I don't know. I never also dreamed to that I will be performing. I was just cherishing that moment. Even the first concert, I remember, yeah, wearing the white kurta he's wearing, and he was performing. And I got one chance to play a solo. After that, he came and said, "Ballet." He always say ballet, and we had some. I had a couple of concert, more than 25 to 30 concert. I did couple of one or two of the very important concert I did where he asked me to come 7 days for rehearsal. Uh, it was in the Prasad studio. It was for a fine concert where a lot of international audience were there. In between, I met Rajesh ji because I was also privileged, and I always say think that it's the same clone, meeting the brothers. Srinivas ji is, that is is a different kind, and Rajesh ji also little of fun mode that I had with him. Rajesh ji is little more of a,
Yeah.
little more.
All the
I can
concert we
connect.
play together, we have connect. Amazing connect we
Yeah,
have.
well,
And then one of the greatest qualities of Stephen Devisi is the energy he creates on stage.
Oh,
It's enormous. It's big. You have to feel it.
always positive,
That's
smiling, energetic.
positive, and the music energy he creates on stage. No, it's
Beautiful.
amazing. We love to play with him. Any artist would love to play with him, and he creates that. In fact, I remember when DSP composed this song, Guruve Nama. It is, I know, I'm sure everybody heard it, but the way he took it, we did it like he did like that voice a cappella thing. Remember?
I
Yeah.
remember. I remember. Yeah, I had a great time
Very,
there.
very creative. That's how he's creative. He's always thinking new innovators. Amazing. He learned. I was so surprised he learned Konakol. Amazingly, he does. I mean, you should see him live. He's a different person, Stephen brother.
All
And I also remember you play almost all the concert. You request me to play um, the song "Hidden Trails."
trial.
Oh my
Hidden
God.
trial. Actually, it's a
Can you play a
heartbreaking
little bit
song.
for me?
Yes, I would always before my warm up was hidden trial. Actually, I
Oh
was
my.
warming up before, so I did with hidden trials actually. Rajesh ji, if you can join, would be great. I know there is a latency issue,
Yeah.
um, so
We'll try go like more like an ad lib.
that's great. brother. There is a latency problem. Sorry.
Yeah, I know. But the way you played, seriously, so much of soul in it. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
You make remember our guru. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
As
Uh,
there are a lot of comments coming from our students saying that when my children see Stephen Davis on stage, they go crazy and dance.
one
And
thing I want to share, Rajeshi.
please,
Uh, I was doing that couple of days rehearsal. Actually, it was a Gurukulam for me because every day, 9 o'clock, I go to the studio. Every day he has the same process. He will come there, he will fix all the thing, and I will just wait for him. I will just look at his face, whatever things he will do. Then sometime he look at me. Sometime he jokes. So couple of things to play with him. It was very tough for me. So in the beginning itself, I took the, I said, Anna, sir, please forgive me if I'm making mistake. Sometime I make a mistake, and he stops. I said, we will do it together. And every time he doesn't have a change in his face. He just, and after that, because every day after 3 days the bass guitar player came, after the next 2 days, so every time we doing the same song, he didn't have any problem with that. He can do that for 100 days where he won't feel any changes in his face or in mind. That is only for people who are very near to God, legends. He's more than a legend. He's a saint. So
definitely, brother.
I
That's
would
what
say,
we are very fortunate to be. I mean, like fortunate to be brother and student, and at the same time.
yes,
And as you said, he creates the aura on stage. That's the best
yes.
connect we can get. I still remember you played with my brother that song. That that that.
Wow.
Let's do that. We'll do like more
Yes,
like an ad lib.
yes.
You do
Before playing
the
the song, that is one of the most energizing song, and same aura you create. You create that same aura on stage. So
thank you, but
maybe
I
because
think it's his
Anna's,
blessings.
yes, he's
Anna's
there.
blessings.
Same feel I get when you play that song. Every song is there, but some you have an aggressive in your mind. கொஞ்சம் ஒரு இது இருக்கு. So that will really come.
I
So
know it's
let's play
always
now.
fun. Let's play.
Yes.
You do the main melody. I'll do more like an ad lib.
Okay, okay, brother. Yeah. Great.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
brother. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
brother, for
As you all know, he not only played with my brother, he played all the legends like Zakir Bhai. He played with Shivaraman sir, Mayalpuram Shivaraman sir. Share your experience, brother.
uh, I had opportunities to play with all those maestros, which we say that they're all legends in music, especially where more than playing, I got a lot of education, how to handle the stage, how to take a certain kind of moment, which is going to be very tough. or complicated and challenging. And it was obviously, it was, as a musician, it was very challenging for me to play with them, but just because of the grace of God, and I able to manage with them. Not that I played, I can say I just manage with them. And one of the other, Umayalpuram Shivaraman sir is one of the moment which I had some great moments. And Karaikudi Mani sir, I got one opportunity to play. And one thing I will never forget about Karaikudi Mani sir. So I know, brother, you remember the song Fifth Element? You know, we
Yeah,
performed that on stage.
Fifth Element.
So
Yeah.
I did the same song with him. That time I just released that song, and he said he created couple of other things in the in you know he added couple of things which I didn't able to play that after that concert, because it's very tough for me to play those. And I was in US for a concert, for some other concert. In between, called me in the in my mobile phone. He had his I saved his name. So I was so shocked, and I was scared to pick the phone. But with respect, I said, Guruji, tell me. No, no, I just called. Everything is okay. I said, okay. Okay, I want to ask you something. I want to ask you, I'm doing a TV show. So I have my whole band with me. So actually, I wanted to ask permission to play that song that you did. I said, sir, why you asking me permission?
It's a
No, no, no.
blessing.
I said, sir, you please do anything with that song. I don't, please do not ask me such things. No, it's a courtesy between musician and musician. So I have to ask it. So that was one beautiful moment which I will never forget. And otherwise, you also, brother, you also know that to play with Zakir Bhai is a great blessing, and the same fun that he has on stage, more than his music, there is so much fun that he create on stage. So I had enjoyed that.
That's what great legends do. That they create that aura and that connect. I
Yes,
still remember we both played in Chennai with Shivaraman sir. Remember
yes, we remember. Yeah. That was the
in the
first,
Sabha?
brother. That was the first time I did my Sabha concert. I never experienced a
Oh,
Sabha concert. So thanks to
yeah, I think
him,
first time you are the only person from non-Sabha played in the Sabha.
I did the Sabha, where I'm wearing all those. I think I was wearing a jacket and all.
Yeah,
Too
it
fun,
was
actually.
fun. It was really fun.
Yes. We'll never forget a lot of
Madhuji,
great
would
moments
you like
with
to ask something?
musicians like Rajesh Ji, and which always it's the lockdown moments which I was thinking all those things. And sometime I images of Rajesh Ji and a lot of other musicians which I work and love, where it comes, I was being little of tears and getting trying of some frustration comes in, but somehow God heals. Soon everything is
Yeah,
going to be
it's like we miss the more than anything we miss the connect and the energy we get from the audience, and when we play
yes,
improvise, no,
yes, yes.
that's the most important thing we miss more than anything else. That
I
the
want to
live
say, Madhu sir, the great thing, sir, me and Rajesh ji and all, we perform for 2 hours. That is okay, but we have another 5 hours of fun. That we
Wonderful.
joke, we pull each other. Praveen is there, we pull Praveen. We have
no,
pulling each
after and
other.
before concert is like 5 6 hours.
That's the best moment, Madhu sir. That's the best moment, that we love to travel. Early morning flight, which is sleepy.
Yeah,
We somehow reach there. Somehow we reach the sound check. It will be so, to reach there, because we have half sleep is there. But when I see these musicians, everything goes. It's like healing. It's just healing, actually.
Very fortunate.
amazing. And that's I always tell you, no, the energy he creates on stage, that's very very important. And he's got his band, solid band is really solid, it's very
Yeah.
strong. And to command a band, you need to be really musically, both musically and energy wise strong. I
Yes,
think
sir.
Stephen does it very well, amazing.
Very nice.
And you know what, he's done a composition, it's called Radiantology, one of my favorite songs. And Rasika Priya, one of the Medakarta Raga. Can you please tell me about that, Shiva
Yeah.
brother?
So I'm actually, I learned Carnatic ragas from legends like Rajesh ji, or anyone who. So I just get that inside me, and after I go back to my studio or at my home, I just try to do something with that, you know. So like that, one of a musician, music director, he helped me say, because what Rajesh ji is doing in Madhusar in mandolin, certain slurs it will never comes in piano.
Mm.
So your pianos have with we have to do couple of things where it is matching with the keyboard actually, because we are on, so we are actually in percussive mode actually, not
Exactly.
in much of slab mode actually.
Correct.
Legato is very rare unless I have my guitar. I get little legato. Otherwise, everything is staccato. So he helped me. He said, "Try this raga. This is called Rasiga Priya, where Jog and Rasiga Priya is just one note different actually."
Mhm.
So I felt really interesting, and after making, we got a concert where Rajesh ji was there. I sent him the song, and he really loved it. I don't know how, why, because of God's grace.
I still
Every
remember in
concert
one
he
of the
played.
concert, only Alap we did it for like 25 minutes, remember? And then we went to song.
I
It was
was that
super
was
liking it so much, and we like more like I was doing the Indian style and he was doing the Western style, and that just an Alap we were doing like 25 minutes. Remember?
minutes. We
We
had
will
such.
just try a little bit like I'll Alap and Adlib. You want to do?
Yes, brother. I'm honored. I'm
Okay.
honored actually.
Yeah, please
I
go
was
ahead.
thinking they are talking about gulab jamun. When can I taste it? Thank you. Thank you.
Vale.
Amazing,
brother, amazing brother. क्या बात है?
amazing.
क्या बात है? वरादा, क्या बात है?
Amazing.
हाँ.
Thank you. We have a lot more speak to. When we start speaking, Madhu sir, we go just like that.
I can see that. I'm like very blessed. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Sir,
Ji, please just say a few words about the consciousness, ji,
sure.
which is what very confusing thing, you know. Just give us
Definitely.
some light on that.
Definitely. I want to take, you both played one of my favorite, great, amazing pieces of music, Hidden Trails.
Oh.
Why don't I take Hidden Trails and drive into consciousness? Antarmukha Samaradhya Bahirmukha Sudurlabha. It is very difficult to achieve the divine or peace externally. It is internal. That is the hidden trail. Hidden trail is you're going on the road and you're just searching where to go. But actually go a little bit further and watch more carefully. There is a hidden trail. There is shortcut.
Oh.
Truth is the hidden trail. It is so easy to be showing off 50 cars, 75 colorful things, and a TV in every room. That is not the hidden trail. That is the highway. The secret hidden trail is we just sit in the backyard looking at the nature and having a coffee. That is a hidden trail. That gives more peace of mind. So whenever we see these multi-millionaires who have many bungalows and many cars and many rich things, they go to Hawaii, sit near the ocean, collect the shells and take pictures. What does it tell us? At the end, when you are a billionaire, you are going back to nature. Nature is the hidden trail.
Oh.
We help ourselves. If there's a person, he's very rich, he's decorating himself and he can eat like 5 items he will eat. After that, what will he do? 6th item he will give to his family. Another 10 items he has to give to his servants. Another 50 items, if he's given, he has to share with people. When he shares, he is more happy. That is the hidden trail. Bill Gates is busy spending time giving charity. That is the hidden trail. The hidden trail is sharing, giving. That is a miracle in Bible also. Jesus can take out any number of breads, they keep coming. The secret is if you give, they're coming. Annapurna, Akshay Patra, infinite amount of things keep coming because you start sharing. That is the hidden trail. A person sitting and having the power of controlling the universe like Krishna, then he goes and finds love, Radha, and lives in a small village called Vrindavan. He is the hidden trail. In astrologically speaking, there are so many planets are troubling. I have so many problems. Every day I have challenges. Nobody is helping me. I'm frustrated. Yet in COVID, I go and help other musicians. We do something different, or we help someone in need. That is the hidden trail. So nature puts out a path that is famous, that looks very logical, but you beat the logic and do something, a pleasant surprise. You pay forward, make a difference to somebody's life. That is the hidden trail. And our job in life is to find how many more hidden trails are there. Finding great friends is hidden trail. Finding love in family is hidden trail. Finding love in humanity is hidden trail. Making a difference to somebody's life is hidden trail. And consciousness is given for that purpose. Human consciousness is the hidden trail. You're speaking, but where is this mind? You can see my face, you can see my Facebook. I put so many posts, but that's not me. My consciousness, what is it saying the truth in words? That is nowhere. With all our scientific advancement and left, right, and center, we did research on the periodic table, chemicals, biology, technology. With all that, we know DNA, we know every part of human being. We know the mind, we know the psychology. Sigmund Freud to Carl Jung, we studied. Where is the consciousness? Where is this? Where am I is coming from? Where am I? Where am I? That is the hidden trail. I'm saying my car. I'm saying my computer. My computer is not me. I'm saying it is mine because that's not me. My hand, my head, my eyes, not me. Where is this I? That I is the hidden trail. Into that hidden trail, Stephen G, we are humbly started a small journey online, musicmagic.live, where we are putting concerts, and we started this journey. Technically, it has to reach more greater heights. Thanks to Nandu sir, thanks to Rajesh's inspiration,
Uh,
Praveen ji.
in
Please,
fact, that initiation is taken by Stephen J. The music lounges belongs to Stephen J. only.
exactly,
They only took the initiative. Thanks to
exactly.
Music Lounge for bringing
Okay,
this
you're talking.
support for
Yeah,
healing
that's.
mandolin.
I'm so happy about that. I want to. I don't know when you're releasing.
He is the founder of Music Lounge actually.
Super, super.
Stephen G is the founder of.
We
Live
are
action.
live. We are back in action. Stephen
Back
ji,
in action,
Rajesh.
brother.
Yeah.
And people are asking, can they um, listen to one of a classical, Western classical piece from you?
Oh, sure, I can do. I'm from those category family, so
Wow.
Beautiful.
Actually, you could keep going. It's like so amazing. My God. Thank you,
my
brother.
own
You really
memories
inspire me.
suddenly came up.
You know what? I would like to share something. I've learned this Bure song from you. I hope you remember the
Oh
Western
yes,
classical song. I learned it from you only. Thank you. You
yes,
took so much
yes.
time to teach
Also,
me
Rajesh,
yesterday.
you have figured a couple of other classical music. I was so happy
Yeah, I
to.
play Ronda La Turca,
Yes,
Bure,
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. I did a
Flight
raga.
and
I know
Bumblebee.
it's amazing compositions. No, the Western
Lot
classical.
of
It's
yes,
not easy. Very tough. Like
very tough.
all the classical, I think compositions are very difficult to learn. That's how you get trained, I guess.
Yes, yeah, we get because most of the modulation are not depends upon the chords. It's the combination of notes. It's four parts, so lot of difficulty when we get trained actually. So
Yeah.
after that, it is fun.
Amazing.
Same
So
like
Asturias,
one more, if you
Mozart,
don't mind, brother. Classical.
Beethoven.
Can you play your Radiantology, the song on your
radiantology.
piano? Because I can't play with you because it's latency, so you can play just a
Yes,
bit
yes,
about yeah.
yeah. So yeah, I will try.
Wow.
Our backing is tough.
I'm very tempted to play with you, but unfortunately, because of the time lag,
I
we
know,
can't
I know,
play.
I know.
Amazing
What
piece,
fun we
one of
had
my
to
favorite.
talk. Yes.
Sir, we
Brother,
should
what is
have
your
this
advice?
on
Yeah,
music magic on healing mandolin. I think we should have this in our next concert we are going to post.
have Stephen G on that.
It will be my honor. Yes, sure. It will be my honor.
Just what advice? Because I know you are heavily into prayers and this thing. I know, but what? Just give us people, your fans, advice. What to do? Like COVID situation, because of the situation. Just
Yes.
share your
Yeah. Now it's
thoughts.
we don't know. Life is very uncertain, as we were discussing before. Only thing that for any human being which can respond, whether they can respond themselves, God will surely give a talent. Now, like whatever we do in music, Madhu sir is completely, the way he speak, people has so much of, they have some opening, they sometimes the eyes get opened actually, certain levels actually. So it is a talent, it is a blessing. God has blessed everyone in this world with one talent. Someone will be a great driver, someone will be a great conductor or a coordinator or doctor, or people can have service. So it is our duty to figure out what is the talent that God has gifted, because it is for the mankind. We have to use it for the mankind. So everyone, that talented people, should do their duty to make other people happy and peaceful. Maybe that will lead a person a change. There will be a change in that person. Another person can be changed because of your talent. So everyone should focus and concentrate. And once you start doing that, God will start. He will start play, you know, riddles with you. He will drive things according to the way that you never dreamed of. Otherwise, I will never be like this. I was from a very normal, average family, where I got opportunity to play with Rajesh Ji and Yusri Srinivas and all those legends. So if God has a plan, if you go according to the plan, He will drive it into a different level. So with no distraction, any human can be get into distractions, and because now you have an internet, you have mobile phone, so you can use it in positive way and negative way. So try to use it in positive, where you can spread positivity into this entire world. So this is the only thing. Get not to get much distracted, be focused in whatever you do. God is going to bless you.
Really, sir.
Amazing,
Very good.
amazing, brother. Such an wonderful advice. It was not advice. I think it is experience that
Yes.
what you feel you're sharing. Thank you, because definitely at this times people need this kind of advice, and because we are all kind of losing hope, because the news we are hearing every day, it is affecting so many millions of people, and then hope is very very important.
Yes.
Thanks you to you and people like you come and give us a lot of upliftment and positive energy. Thank you, brother. Such a wonderful time. Thanks for giving this
It's
wonderful
my
time.
honor, brother. It's my
Looking
honor.
forward for more.
Yes.
I think we are almost at the end of this program. Thank you. I would like to thank you. And Madhuji, please, over to you.
Thank you.
See you all. Brother, see you soon. Take care. Thank
Thank
you
you,
very much.
brother. Thank you, Madhu sir.
Bye bye.
Praveen
Thank you.
here.
Thank
Namaste,
you,
Take
sir.
care.
Praveen.
Thank you. Thank you, all
Thank you
audience.
all. Namaste. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Rajesh Garu. Thank you, Praveen ji. Stephen ji learned a lot of new wonderful things today. Your humbleness is a lesson we are going to remember forever, despite your talent. It's really great and very inspiring, Stephen ji. Thank
Thank you,
you,
sir.
ji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rajesh sir.
Thank you. Thank you, brother.
I want to add a few lines. The world is at a challenging place, and we have launched musicmagic.live to make a difference to people's life. The way we can make a difference is like every other field. Musicians who are amazingly talented, many of them are in a condition without concerts, and there are a lot of needs, basic needs need to be met. And we have started this journey to make a difference. The way that was possible is musicmagic.live. A lot of our friends, a lot of you have already donated, purchased tickets. There is an online one single concert with different items, about an hour and a half worth of highly digitalized and highly mastered great pieces of music were already placed. Rajesh sir, Satish sir, Praveen ji, they all work together to create it. More concerts are coming, and please purchase tickets. Also donate. You can donate directly from online from the website. This money will go 100% to the musicians who need this. We want to make a difference to people's life. Please, it is not a very high amount. These are very minimal amounts, as I was telling last time. It's the amount we spend for a coffee in a good, coffee place. So I don't want to mention names. It is the smallest thing that we do makes a difference. It is the smallest one single act of kindness will open the hidden drives to many other people's life. And let's make a difference. It is the easiest thing to do. Please go ahead, share with your friends, musicmagic.live. The great platform of learning Music Magic is also going to be a platform where these musicians are there. They have the talent and they have the passion to share. So Music Magic, thankfully, with the Music Launch help, owned by, initiated and organized by Stephen Devasiji, will become a platform between the people who have the quest for knowledge and those who want to teach. So we are going to create that platform. We're going to welcome many musicians on that. We are going to welcome students on that. It is being built. A lot of components are coming into place. But right now the concerts are live. You can go and watch it, our first concert. Give us feedback. This is a humble beginning. Let's make a difference. Thanks, Rajesh sir, for giving me this opportunity to be part of this. I'm not a musician, but being in the presence of musicians every weekend, every Sunday, it is making my life illuminated. No, I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, Stephen.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, Rajesh ji.
Thank you all. Thank you, Stephen G. Once again. Thank you.
Thank you.